Okay, so we have a question right here. The earth has an electric field because charge is distributed over its surface. Determine the quantity of charge on 1 meter square of earth's surface which would cause an electric field of 120 v by m, right? Volts per meter, right? So you should assure that the charge is distributed evenly. Radius of the earth is basically 64,000 kilometer, right? Okay, so we know the formula for a point charge in a basically radial field, right? Radial field basically means this is your charge, right? And the radial field is basically means going this way, because now we're talking about earth, not the point charge anymore, right? We're talking about the earth itself, right? So basically, and they're like, yeah, this is your earth, right? And this is your basically arrow. Earth has a negative, right? Negative to positive. You can take an example. I haven't drawn it accurately, but you can take the example. This is your earth and this is your radial field, right? So the main important thing it said was charge on 1 meter square, right? So it's charge per area. This simply means, in other words, charge per area, right? Charge on basically means divide, right? On basically means divide. So charge on 1 meter square basically means Q by A, right? So we're gonna use the formula for the charge of radial field, which is Q E is equals to Q by, you can make it times by K, or it's preferred not to because we are dealing with the area right now, right? So we're gonna write it 4 pi permittive of space r square, right? And we can say that area is basically equals to 4 pi r square because it is a circle, right? As you can see, it's a circle. So we can, in other words, write it as E, and then this permittive of space I can make it go up, right? Is equals to Q by A, right? And I calculate this permittive of space. Permittive of space value is given at the end of your exam paper, right? And you know that electric field is basically 120 Vm, right? So you have 8.85 times 10 raised to power minus 12, right, is equals to Q by A. So your final Q by A is basically 1.06 coulombs by meter square. This is your coulombs and your meter square because you're taking Q by A. So coulombs per meter square is important to be written, right? So this is your answer, final answer.